Ever tried to keep your eyes open while sneezing? You can't. It's an involuntary reflex. When you sneeze, the pressure can build up to explosive levels, some estimate speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, generating immense force. Your brain automatically commands your eyelids to shut tight, partly to protect your eyeballs from the sudden pressure, but also to prevent any tiny particles from being expelled at high velocity from getting into your eyes. It's a full-body event, controlled from deep within your brainstem. So you're not trying to keep them closed, your brain just doesn't trust you with projectile snot.